In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a PowerPoint presentation using Google Meet. So let's get started and ensure that your presentations are effortlessly shared with everyone in your meeting. First, you'll want to head over to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Google Meet, or simply going to meet.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options right on the homepage. If you're not familiar, Google Meet is a fantastic and versatile platform for video conferencing that is widely used for both personal and professional meetings. Upon entering Google Meet, you'll have the choice to either join an existing meeting or create a new one. If you're joining an existing meeting, you'll use the meeting code or link that was provided to you. If you're creating a new meeting, just click on New Meeting and follow the prompts. It's a straightforward process, ensuring you're well on your way to seamlessly starting or joining a video call. Now that you're in the meeting, to share your PowerPoint, locate the Share button. It's the icon with an upward-facing arrow and is typically found at the bottom right of your screen, right next to the option to turn your video on or off. This button allows you to share your screen with everyone in the call, which is particularly helpful when presenting slides or documents. Before you click Share, it's important to make sure your PowerPoint presentation is already open on your computer. This way, when you choose to share your window, everything is ready to go and you won't have to scramble to find your file. With your presentation open, click on Share, and then you'll see different options for what you can share. Choose Window from the available options. This option allows you to share a specific window rather than your entire screen, which is excellent for focusing exclusively on the content you want to present. It also helps maintain privacy over any other desktop items you might have open. Next, you'll see a list of all open windows on your computer. Among those, select your PowerPoint presentation. This ensures that only your presentation is visible to those in your Google Meet call, keeping their focus solely on your slides. Once you have selected the PowerPoint window, click the Share button. Voila! You are now sharing your PowerPoint presentation in real time with your meeting participants. And there you have it. These are the steps to share a PowerPoint presentation in a Google Meet call, making your online presentations as smooth and professional as possible. With these simple steps, you can ensure your message comes across clearly to your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your future meetings.